Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Mensah Augustine. Please, if you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. And if you have been watching my videos and you're not yet subscribed, please kindly subscribe for us to go to mathematics credibility. In this lesson, we're going to look at Wassce 2022 General Mathematics Paper 2, and this is question 11. That is 2022 Wassce General Mathematics Theory question 11. So let's see how we get the solution. Now, question 1. Given that cosine of 2x plus 15 degrees equal to sine of x minus 30 degrees for x greater than or equal to 0 degrees but less than or equal to 90 degrees, find the value of x. How do we solve this question? Now, before I solve this question, let me give you something that will improve your understanding, because the solution will be relevant in other exams that you may do or you may face elsewhere. So let's see how we solve this question. Let's look at the conceptual framework of the question, the concept behind the question. Now, it's very simple. Here, the angle here and the angle here are not the same. So we can divide to get, let's say, tangent of the same angle. And you have sine here and you have cosine here. So how do you go about this? Solve it and leave your answer in the comment section. After that, you come back and look at the solution. Now, let's look at this one. If I have a right angled triangle, if I name here alpha and here beta, let's name here x, let's name here y, L and X. Now, let's look at this one. Alpha plus beta plus 90 is 180 degrees. Alpha plus beta plus 90 is equal to 180 degrees. That is sum of the interior angles of a given triangle. Now, alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degrees. That is, you subtract 90 degrees from 180 degrees and get 90 degrees. Let's put this one down. Let's find cosine of this angle and sine of this angle. If I take cosine of alpha, adjacent over hypotenuse, I'll get y divided by L. If I take sine of beta, so opposite over hypotenuse, I'll get y over L. Let's do the other way around. If I take sine of alpha, sine, so opposite over hypotenuse, I'll get x over L. If I take cosine of beta, adjacent over hypotenuse, I'll get x divided by L. In short, if the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees, then the cosine of one of the angle is equal to the sine of the other angle, and the reverse is also the same. The sine of the other angle is equal to the cosine of the other angle. For example, if I take 60, what angle will I add to 60 to get 90? I'll take 90 and subtract 60 from it, and it is 30. So in this case, sine 30 is equal to cosine of 30, and cosine of 30 is equal to, sine 30 is equal to cosine of 60, and cosine of 30 is equal to sine 60, because 60 plus 30 is equal to 90 degrees, or the two angles are complementary. So if you have two complementary angles, that is, complementary angles are two angles that sum up to 90 degrees. That is great. So let's put this one here. If alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degrees, then cosine of alpha is equal to sine of beta, and sine of alpha is equal to cosine of beta. So we are going to use this idea to solve this question. Now, let's go to the main question. Since we have cosine and sine, you find this one, so you take this path and then you take also this path to improve your understanding. Now, here I have this angle, x minus 30. So what will I add to x minus 30 to give me 90 degrees? So what I'm going to do is that I'll take the 90 degrees and subtract x minus 30 from it. So this will give me 90 minus x plus 30 degrees, and that will give me 120 minus x. So 90 degrees plus 30 degrees is 120 degrees minus x. So that is it. So this implies that cosine of 120 minus x is equal to sine of x minus 30 degrees. Why? Because 120 degrees minus x plus x minus 30 degrees will give us what? Minus x plus x, 0. If you subtract minus 30 and then 120 degrees, you get 90 degrees. That is, subtract this from that. 120 degrees minus 30 is 90 degrees. That is very simple as that. So, our solution now becomes simple. Then, you write cosine of 2x plus 15 degrees is equal to cosine of 120 minus x. And we have cosine of this angle is equal to cosine of this angle. Then it means that the angles are the same. 2x plus 15 degrees is equal to 120 degrees minus x. If negative x comes here, you have 3x is equal to 120 degrees minus 15 degrees. Wow. And we are almost done. So we have 3x equal to, if we subtract this, we are going to get 105 degrees. X equal to 105 degrees divided by 3. We have x equal to 35 degrees. Check with the calculator and see. 120 minus 15 is 105 divided by 3 is 35 degrees. Now, let's check if our solution is correct. We are going to have cosine of 2x, that is 2 times 35, that will give us 70 plus 15, 85. So you have cosine of 85 equal to, here we take 35 minus 30, and that is 5. So sine of 5. And you see that we are there. Cosine of 85 is equal to sine of 5, because 5 plus 85 will give me 90 degrees. Perfect. Now, this is one way. Let's check the other way. Can you subscribe, like, share, and leave your comments? Now, let's see. If I want to change this one also to sine, how do I do it? I'll just take 90 minus 2x plus 15. And this will give me 90 minus 15 minus 2x. And what is 90 minus 15? That is 75 minus 2x. That is very simple. So, since 75 minus 2x plus 2x plus 15, let's check what the answer gives. Minus 2x will cancel 2x. 75 degrees plus 15 degrees will give us 90 degrees. So since 75 minus 2x plus 15 will give us 90, it means that cosine of 2x plus 15 degrees is equal to sine of 75 minus 2x. So our question becomes sine of 75 degrees minus 2x is equal to sine of x minus 30 degrees. And here, sine of this angle is equal to sine of this angle. It means that the two angles are equal. So I take 75 minus 2x equal to x minus 30. And in effect, we are going to get 105 is equal to 3x. Check and see. 30 plus 75 is 105. X plus 2x is that. And we have 105 divided by 3 is equal to x. And we will still get back to 35 equal to x. So, whatever way, it will get you there. That's very simple. Now, let's go to the next question. We are improving our understanding. Please kindly like, share the video, and leave your comments. Remember also to subscribe. Now let's see the next question. Yeah, in this question we have that in the diagram ABCF is a straight line. BD is parallel to CE. Angle ABD equals 2x plus 34 or degrees if angle BCD equal to 1/3 of angle BDC and angle FCF equals 48 degrees. You have to find the value of x. Then angle BDC. This is very simple. So how do we do it? Let's fix in what we have been given here. We have angle BCD equal to 1/3 of. So if we let angle BDC equal to y, then angle BCD equal to 1/3 of y. So let's put those angles there. Angle BDC, what is the BDC, and angle BCD. Hey. Let's see. Angle BDC equal to y, okay, and angle BCD equal to 1/3 of y. Okay, that's great. So we fixed those angles, right? Now, how do we find the value of x? And then how do we find the BDC? Okay. Now, I didn't complete the diagram because we said that BD is parallel to CE. Yes, so these two lines are parallel. Now, once we have parallel lines, we are going to use the property of the parallel lines to help us there. Now, this line and this line are parallel. So let me draw them here. I have this line and I have this line. So you've seen this straight line there. It's a transversal line. It's a transversal line. So the angle here and the angle here corresponds. So if this angle is 48, this angle too is 48, because you see corresponding angles are equal. But how do I present this idea in exams to get the marks for this? To do that, I have to put here A. Yes, so that the examiner will mark me right. Maybe you will not draw the diagram. So I'll say that if I let angle CBD equal to A, Then angle FCE is equal to angle CBD. Then you state the property, that is, they are what? Corresponding angles are the same or equal. Now, we have 2x plus 34 degrees plus A is equal to 180 degrees. Then what property is this? That is sum of angles on a straight line. That is great. So what is A? A is 48. So I have 2x plus 34 degrees plus 48 degrees equal to 180 degrees. I have 2x equal to 180 degrees minus 34 degrees minus 48 degrees. Now, calculator work. We have 180 minus 34 minus 48. That gives, wow, I've made it addition here. That gives 98 degrees. So I have 2x equal to 98 degrees. X equal to 98 divided by 2. And that is 49. So we have 2x equal to 98, x equal to 49. So that's the value for the x. X is 49 degrees. Wow. Now we've found x. So what again can we do to find our angle what? BDC. BDC. We need this angle. So how do we find that angle? How do we find that angle? Let's begin this portion. How do we find that angle? We know here, we know here, we know here. And these two variables are the same. So we can find that one using sum of the angles in the triangle. You can use that property. That is sum of the angles in a given triangle. So we have 48 degrees plus y plus 3y, sorry, 1/3 of y is equal to 180 degrees. Then what property is that? That is sum of interior angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. Remember to bring interior. Sum of interior angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. So here I have 4y on 3 equal to 180 degrees minus 48 degrees. So let's do that calculations. That is 180 minus 48 is 132. So we have 4y on 3 equal to 132. So we have 132 times 3. That is 4y is equal to 396. Y equal to 396 divided by 4. And we have y equal to 99. So here, angle BDC is 99 degrees. And if we were to find this angle, we will just take 1/3 of 99, and that will give us 33 degrees. Remember to bring the degrees. This is very, very simple for us. Very, very simple for us. This is very, very simple. So, if you have any other alternative for solving this question, you can leave it at the comment section, because for a mathematics question, we have more entry points and more exit points. So, whatever your idea will be, share it at the comment section. If you have any question that you would like me to help you, just send it to my WhatsApp number +233 245 360 793. And if you want to join my online teaching too, if you WhatsApp me, I'll be of help to you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.